Okay, come on. Let me pick them.
Oh, I got some
Here's some
down
low ones for
here.
you.
Hudson, what are you doing?
Picking some cherries from the cherry tree.
Today we're going to be making cherry cobbler. Cobbler.
Not the cherry pie.
Come on, on the tree, huh?
Show me, Hudson, what you got.
Oh, cherries
Where?
and here. I found one right here. See this cherry,
Yep.
and it has a hole in it.
Uh-oh, what do you do with the ones with the holes? We got a lot of cherries in our tree.
Yep. That means we pick them. If they are all red, we can pick them. Oh, I see one right there. I can't grab it. Oh,
Let me see. Let me see.
Boom.
Yeah.
It has a stem on it. Yep, has a stem on it.
Okay, you want to move?
Oh no, I don't.
Get the ones you see. Get the red ones. I'm looking for red ones too.
I got a handful.
They're high. The red ones are high.
Yeah.
Look, right there above Mom, there's red ones. Are they any good or are they
Yep.
the bugs get them?
Bugs get them, Mommy?
Don't think so.
Can we get those ones?
I'm trying.
Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome.
See any more good red patches?
I picked 3.
Hudson, what are you doing with the bad ones?
Throw them in the chicken coop.
What are the chickens going to do?
Eat them.
This is when you Kaiser climb up the middle of the tree. I can't get anything.
Thanks, Daddy.
Okay, go. Don't spill them.
Mommy, I got it. It's
Show me
heavy.
your bucket.
The middle, I can't.
Boom!
Okay, throw it.
There's the bucket.
Let's go make our cobbler, Hudson.
I need one more.
Okay.
That's 2 already.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm like cherry cobbler today.
All right. We got to open the pitter first.
Is that going to make it pop?
Yeah, you're going to do it.
Okay.
What else? What do we have to do with the cherries?
Pop them.
And then how do you know if they're good or bad?
Take the stems off.
Okay. And then we have to put it in here.
Yes. And check if it's
And then
good.
go like this. And that's it.
And
And then put it in there. It's going to take forever, Hudson.
yeah.
You make a pile for Mommy.
I'm gonna make a big pile. This is gonna take forever.
Maybe. It takes a long time. If you want something that's good, it takes a long time to make.
But
And it's fresh because where are the cherries from?
trees.
Whose trees?
Ours.
Yeah, we picked them out of our backyard, didn't we?
Yes. We have to have cherries
Yeah,
because they are healthy.
they are. Hey,
Do
hey,
this
Hudson.
is the store.
Hold on, we gotta put the stick of butter in here.
The whole thing.
Yes.
Like this.
Hold on. Yep, leave it right there. And then we gotta put half a cup of butter in the other one.
Yes, I want to.
Hold on. And it's gotta melt.
It has to melt.
Yep, while the oven is preheating, we have to melt it.
Yes, we're supposed to.
Yep.
I see the broken ones.
It's okay. Hold on.
The broken cherries.
Hold on. I gotta get them in there so they can melt.
Daddy.
Okay, we need flour. Which one's flour?
This one
Yep.
is flour.
Okay.
Can I sit down with you?
You wanna sit there?
On the counter?
Okay.
Sure.
Sure.
I sit on the counter always.
Hey, tell the people that are watching what we're making.
We're making cobbler.
Yep. And what are we doing right now?
Cooking it.
No, we're gonna mix all the ingredients.
And we have to melt the butter.
Yep, that's the first step.
Yes, we did. Actually, we did first step, put the chilies in. Now the next step is this.
We're gonna put the flour in.
Yes, and we put the butter in the other bowl. put powder in the what?
Huh?
The what?
What?
The butter in the oven. The melt. And
Can you turn around so the camera can see you?
now I'm saying we did the first step, putting the cherries in. Now the next step, we put the butter
And sugar.
yes, and sugar and the flour. And what's the other steps after this one?
Hold on. Now, baking powder.
Baking powder, was that
1 teaspoon.
1
Do
teaspoon?
you want to do this part?
Yes, sure.
Come on.
I did dump it.
Okay.
I never done this before.
Dump it in there.
Another scoop.
No, that's it.
Oh my god. It spilled from my field.
It's okay.
Can
Hold
I
on.
eat it?
No.
You know.
Daddy's silly.
I'm sick of that.
You want a drink of it?
No.
Hold on, I gotta dump it in here first. Oh wait, hold on.
I'll drink
We
milk.
gotta mix this first. You wanna do this?
Yeah, sure.
Stir it up.
I don't know.
Whoa!
I did it too fast.
It's okay. Stand up. Stand up on the counter right there.
I just got cat on me.
It's okay.
And there's some on my feet.
Climb down. Whoa! Let go.
Oh my god, my hands. We have to clean up the counter.
It's okay.
My hands.
Tell him that's what happens when you cook.
Yes! You get dirty.
It's alright.
And even this got dirty.
It's alright. Hold on.
And that's okay. Okay, I just touched it. I don't want to lick it.
No, don't lick it.
It's going to be bad if I lick it.
Can I mix it now?
Yes. I went too fast.
Hopefully it tastes alright. Okay, now we gotta put the milk in, I think.
But first I want to drink. Oh, the milk. It's getting pretty hard.
Is it getting hard?
Yep. I'm even
Okay.
doing it.
Okay, hold on. Okay, my turn. I gotta pour the milk in.
I stir it all the way up. Because last time I did this, it went kablam all over.
It's okay. Okay, we're mixing it. Is it look clumpy or is it runny?
It looks like milk.
It does look like milk.
It looks clumpy.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoop. Hold on. Now.
We need do it.
Okay, now we gotta pour it on there, but we cannot stir it up.
What? But it's gonna go on. Put it on the cherry.
Hold on, I gotta scrape it.
You have to put it on the cherry too.
It's okay.
There's a cherry there.
It's alright. It fell in there.
Yeah, but we got some.
Alright. Hold on. Okay.
I
Now,
put on it.
hold on. Now we gotta put more sugar in there.
Oh god.
Yep.
I don't want to.
Hold on.
I just dumped it though.
One.
Can I dump it the last time?
Yep. Hold on. Ready? Dump it.
Dump.
Okay. Now we gotta shake it.
I don't want to shake. I've been really good today. Have I been good?
Yep. Hold on. And now I gotta get 1 tablespoon of flour.
Because I've been a little bad at flowers. I like your shot. I said I like your
Yeah,
shot.
I heard you. Whoa.
That's okay. like cherry cobbler.
All right.
Now
Now it goes in the oven for an hour.
Yes, yes, yes. Be careful, it's hot.
All right.
That was my phone.
And here is the cherry cobbler. Get a toothpick. See if it's clean. And it's clean. Our cherry cobbler is finished. Please like and subscribe.
I'm not having one of those bellies.
Okay. Come on. Here. Is it good? It's yummy.
Talk louder. I couldn't hear you. I can't hear you. Talk louder. I couldn't hear you. What was you saying?
I don't know.
What was you saying?
You gotta look at the camera when you talk.
Okay. I need to go
You know what
get
Mommy just about did?
I'm thinking sippy cup, but I can have a couple more.
You know what I just about did?
What?
I almost grabbed the pan right out of the oven.
What? Got the butter out of the oven?
Yeah. Without a hot pad holder.
This is the way out, and this is the get it out. It's like a milk. What, Daddy? What did you say, Daddy? I heard you say something. Oh no!
Help.
Okay, we gotta pour this in here.
That's how I put sugar out of the sugar.
Don't eat the sugar.
Why?
Because
I eat sugar.
we need 1 cup, don't.
I want to eat sugar.